Our temps have been roller coaster, and you know what? Today, 83, guys. How about
Loved every
We broke 80?
digit.
Yes, 83.
Wow.
Amazing. And you know, it's starting to feel more like spring, so take a look at this. I don't want to jump the gun too early. It's time to start talking about it. Bluebonnets this year, what does it look like? So there's a couple of main ingredients that we look for. This was in Austin in 2016. Of course, Ennis is the really good spot just right down the road here. Bluebonnets thrive off of wetter and warmer months leading up to spring. Well, we've done okay on that, okay? They prefer full sun, alkaline or rocky or tougher soils. Once they begin to bloom, they actually prefer more arid conditions, so less rain and more sunshine. So here's where we're going, okay? As we go through usually early to mid-March, start to see more activity, of course, a little further south, that then rides right up I-35 and 45. Late March, early April, of course there are exceptions to this, but in general, then we start to see that widespread activity by April, and we have perhaps one of the best spots in Ennis right down the road here. So the ingredients we need, so far we're looking okay, but the precipitation is going to be a little below normal. This is the one that maybe we'd like to see improve. Temperature looking great. As we talked about today, this warm air is helping us, and that winter storm that we had, all of that melting precipitation, that brought us a little more, that caught us up with precip. So perhaps we'll see some coming up pretty soon here, maybe in about a month. All right, DFW Airport, calm night, beautiful night, plenty of air traffic. Winds out of the northwest at 10, so they're taking off south to north now and rotating pretty quickly because it's very dry air. It doesn't take as much runway. For the record today, 83, if you can believe it. We should be around 59. We were very close to the previous record. I did not expect us to be that close, and that was set last year at 84. But look at this, the low of 38. Remember just a week and a half ago, the ice storm, the winter storm? That's a distant memory now with 83 degrees. 77 right now. We're well above where our daytime high should be, and it's almost 7 o'clock. Look at that. Fairly dry, dew point 33, humidity only 20%. That's not bad. So because we're so dry, as Jesse mentioned earlier, it's going to allow us to cool down considerably into the 40s. Nothing super cold, but closer to where we should be, 38 this time of year. This is not bad. Chilly night, chilly morning when you wake up tomorrow, but warming up nicely. Look at your Saturday, 70 degrees, as Chris and they were just saying, 74 on Sunday then. Look at this, get outside, enjoy this. But if you don't get it through this weekend and don't get a chance to, this nice weather sticking around with us. Let's go to Timecast and work through this. High pressure still sitting over us, you can tell, because look at the clouds just sitting over the top of it here. Now watch this next impulse. Let's go through Monday and Tuesday. That's when we start to see some scattered activity move into southwestern parts of the Metroplex, probably late afternoon, early evening. And perhaps a rumble of thunder just further to our south, but I think we'll see rain chance in here. Not concerned about anything severe at all. And then that rain kind of moves off, scattered cloud cover as we go towards Wednesday. And then after that, another chance, perhaps coming in on Friday of next week, maybe a rumble of thunder there, but 30% is where we have that for now. So 70, 74, 77 on Monday. 73 on Tuesday with that stray chance, 30%, 74 Wednesday. These temperatures are staying in the 70s almost all of next week. Following Friday, again, stray storm chance there, perhaps a rumble of thunder there. Early look at Valentine's Day. Really good, 41 and then 60. Temperatures though, guys, on the next 14 days, all of those staying in the 60s and or 70s in February. How about that?
Yeah.